Safe, efficient, and durable. Plug and play to start your green life. Deye Sun M Series, an all-new generation of Deye Microinverters. Designed for easy installation with reserved AC/DC ports. A plug-and-play experience is provided. Adopting an AC bus design enables a more flexible system layout. New photovoltaic modules and inverters can be added without any limitations to the solar system. You can do it just when you need it. Independent MPPT optimizes and tracks each module separately, reducing the effect of possible shadows on our functions. Achieving higher overall power generation and enabling quick troubleshooting for operation and maintenance. Apart from the typical residential photovoltaic systems, applications in commercial and industrial buildings are also supported. Balcony photovoltaic systems are no exception. With independent network and system protection devices, better security protection facts can be achieved. Easy to maintain, with key components easily replaceable. If energy storage batteries are added later, charging this Deye Sun M model directly on the balcony becomes possible. Support access to common photovoltaic modules up to 700 watts. IP67 protection level ensures reliability. The models are designed for a lifespan of up to 25 years. Built-in Wi-Fi antenna is provided to support direct connection to wireless routers through WLAN. No additional data transmission devices are required, which reduces installation and usage costs. The newly upgraded vCloud Power Station Management platform provides more beautiful and useful display monitoring. The arrangement of modules is clear at a glance. Real-time data can be viewed at any time. Website and mobile multi-platform adaptation for all scenarios and all device supports. Provides rapid shutdown application. The system's AC voltage can be cut off at one click. This is the Deye Sun M Series microinverter, combining safety, durability, and efficiency in one, providing better solutions from small to bigger scale photovoltaic systems. As we do with our on-grid solar kits with the Deye Sun M0G4, 1000 watts with 2 MPPT inputs microinverter model. Welcome to share the opportunities given by our integration coefficient IC manufacturing and marketing business model that lets us to offer these innovative solutions. You will never have any regrets.